TheRestaurantWarehouse.com introduces the Atosa MBF8508GR commercial refrigerator. A top-quality high-efficiency and certified solution for your restaurant's refrigerator needs. With a capacity of 70 cubic feet, it offers ample refrigerator storage space for food service. The 82-inch wide by 32-inch deep by 83-inch height reach-in refrigerator comes with bottom-mount self-contained refrigeration. The 3-door refrigerator features stainless steel standard door locks to protect refrigerator contents and control access to food. It comes with Dixel digital temperature control, maintaining a range of 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The refrigerator includes 9 adjustable epoxy shelves, allowing for flexible storage. The Atosa refrigerator uses a heavy-duty Embarco compressor that saves 40% energy compared to conventional compressors. The interior and exterior are made of easy-to-clean stainless steel. The 83-inch refrigerator has a galvanized steel back for durability. The Atosa MBF8508GR refrigerator is equipped with 4-inch industrial casters for easy mobility. The Atosa refrigerator is ENERGY STAR certified. It uses environmentally friendly R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, ensuring efficient cooling. The Atosa refrigerator has a 2-year parts and labor warranty and can be upgraded to a 3, 4, or 5-year parts and labor warranty at purchase. The compressor comes with a 5-year warranty. Atosa refrigeration is ETL listed, tested, and certified. The unit complies with all US and Canada restaurant equipment safety standards. All Atosa restaurant equipment comes with free freight to your restaurant. $400 point-of-sale rebates are available for select zip codes. Financing as low as $140 a month is available at therestaurantwarehouse.com.